Canadian houseplants offer more than just aesthetics. They're a unique blend of hardiness and beauty that adapts seamlessly to indoor conditions. Northern Maidenhair Fern. The Northern Maidenhair Fern is a visual delight with its delicate fan-shaped leaf segments that cascade from dark, wiry stems. Its lacy foliage creates an ethereal, woodland-like atmosphere in any room. Lady Fern. Lady Fern enchants with its bright green, finely cut fronds that offer a light and airy presence. The plant's intricate leaf pattern adds a level of sophistication to your space. Fragile cactus. Don't let the name fool you. The fragile cactus is anything but fragile. Its bold appearance, featuring elongated stems studded with small spikes, adds a striking contrast to softer, leafier plants in your collection. Christmas fern. The Christmas fern features leathery, dark green fronds that retain their color year-round, bringing a slice of everlasting nature into your home. White velvet. Also known as Tradescantia sillimontana, white velvet boasts velvety, silver-white leaves that give the plant a dreamy, surreal appeal. Sugarleaf stonecrop. With its thick, fleshy leaves and compact growth habit, this plant offers an intriguing textural element to your indoor garden. This succulent thrives in well-drained soil and doesn't mind a bit of neglect, making it a superb option for busy Canadian households. Plains prickly pear. The Plains prickly pear offers a fascinating look with its flat, paddle-like stems and gorgeous yellow flowers. It's a standout plant that is sure to capture attention. Wild bergamot. Wild bergamot is not just a feast for the eyes with its lavender-hued flowers, but it's also aromatic, filling your space with a subtle, minty fragrance. Traditionally found in North America, including parts of Canada, this plant is well suited for both indoor and outdoor gardening, adapting easily to Canadian climates. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. We'll see you next time.